Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Vandana.
All right, Ms. Vandana, do you work or study?
At present, I've completed my education and planning for my abroad education.
All right. Okay, so in the first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions about history.
Okay.
What did you study in history lessons when you were at school?
I had studied about many of the histories of like Taj Mahal and about the Shah Jahan's story and many of the people's. That's what.
All right. Did you enjoy studying history at school?
Well, I did not enjoy studying history at school because it was too boring for me.
Why?
Because I did not like about studying history. Um, and I felt it was too difficult to study also.
All right. How often do you watch TV programs about history now?
I won't watch TV programs about the histories. Well, I'll see only about uh, future, like what is going on at present or about the future, like that.
What period in history would you like to learn more about?
I would like to learn about the um how people were treating the elders and how their behavior with the elders. I would like to learn about that.
All right, so that is the first part of the test. Okay, so in part two, so I'm going to show you a question. You have 1 minute time to prepare on it,
Okay, sir.
and you need to speak on it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
So you can make notes if you wish. So your 1 minute starts now.
Yes.
You can start speaking now.
Yes, sir. During my childhood, I lived in a city with my neighborhood. The people surrounded by me was very kind, humorous, and very benevolent peoples. And I I love to live there because the people were so kind, and they were helping me whenever my mom had went out. They were helping me with everything, like by giving the food or treat, and they were treating me as their child too. And they were helping me everything, um, and even they were taking care of me whenever in the absence of my mother. I was feeling very good, and I was grateful for that kind of neighborhood surrounded by me.
Okay. All right. Would you like to live these kind of neighborhoods?
Well, I love to live in these kind of neighborhoods because the people nowadays the people are very uh, not that kind-hearted, but when I was living with these kind of neighborhood, I was feel grateful because they were all kind to me and taking care of me well.
All right. So how do you think these kind of neighborhoods have changed over the period of time?
As of now, I'm seeing them. They have not changed. They're being the same with me till now. I don't know about how they're treating others, but still now they're with me the same.
Oh, okay. That's the end of part two.
Yes.
So in part three, I'm going to ask you questions about neighbors.
Okay.
What sort of things can neighbors do to help each other?
Um, neighbors can neighbors can do anything to help each others. Like when the in my case, when my mom was not in my absence of my mother, they were taking care of me and they were treating me in a well way. Um, and they were in my when my mom was there also, each other they used to share the foods which they used to prepare. And whenever my mom was sick, even they was taking care of my mom too. Mm, and they were very helping nature.
Complex. Okay. How well do people generally know their neighbors in your country?
People know very well about their neighbors because as soon as we see the people's faces, we can say what kind of people they are, and whether they are kind or whether they are so harsh to the people. Um, and some of the people nowadays they are backstabbing about the being kind in front of us, and they're backstabbing about the people. Um,
Okay. How important do you think it is to have good neighbors?
it is very much important to have a good neighbors when we at that moment we can share about the personal things too, keeping the trust on them.
All right. Okay. Thank you. That's the end of the speaking
Thank you.
test.